Hi everyone, Tom here again with Strapworks.com. We're going to have some fun today with another do-it-yourself video, this time a dog collar. Now, when you order a do-it-yourself collar kit, you get everything that you need. We're going to send you some of our PQ webbing, and that's in the pattern of your choice, of course. We're going to send you a steel D-ring. We happen to be using our candy apple blue today. You're going to get a side release buckle. You're going to get a keeper, and of course you're going to get a tri-glide or slide. So, now that we have all the parts together, let's start putting it together for you. Now you want to thread the tri-glide like this. The webbing comes up, over the center bar, and back down again. You should leave yourself about a 3/4 to 1 inch fold over. You do not want to start on the edge or sew to the edge. So set your needle to where you're starting a little bit inside the edge, and then you want to go back and forth several times, and we're done. Now before we move on to step 2, I do want to show you that the stitch stays within the confines of the 1 inch webbing. The reason for that is if you go all the way to the edge and that thread is cut, then the integrity of the entire stitch is compromised. So stay within the confines of the webbing. For orientation purposes, this is the back side. This is the top side. This is the back side. Step 2 is putting your keeper on with the flat section on the back side. Bring that down the webbing, and then put your side release buckle on. You want to put it on the female end, and so that the good side is up and the whole thing is out. You will come back through the keeper. But once you have it on, that's where you want to be. Okay, the next step is taking your loose end and threading it back through the tri-glide. Now we're starting to look a little bit like a collar. What we want to do is put the D-ring on, and again, back side. So the D-ring goes on like this. The loop is over on the top side, the flat edge against the back side. So once you have the D-ring on, you want to feed your webbing down through the top of the male end of the side release buckle and measure it from the end of the buckle to the end of the webbing at 1 3/4 inches. Lock the buckle in place, and again you're stitching within the confines of your 1 inch width. And we can trim that up. Now you bring your D-ring up and you pull it tight against that stitch. There you have it, guys. Rainbow Lightning dog collar in large.